From the hills and valleys rising, prayer calls us to unite. For the land we dearly treasure, we will stand and we will fight. From the humble homes of labor, from the fields where dreams are sown, VPP walks with the people. Every heartbeat is our own. We are the voice of the voiceless, the shield of the poor and weak. With the power we march together for the future we all seek. We will rise against corruption, we will break injustice chain. PPP, our hope unshaken, for the people, for the land we remain. Through the years of silent suffering, through the storms of broken trust, we have come to cleanse the system, to restore what's right and just. Not for power, not for glory, but for truth we stand today. For the hearts that cry unheard of, we will light their path and way. 4 years strong, our fire burning, stronger still with every dawn. From each village, each community, a new spirit rises on. We will build, we will uplift every child, each home, each clan, for the future of our people, for the soul of our land. We are the voice of the voiceless, the shield of the poor and weak. With the proud we march together for the justice that we seek. We will rise against corruption, we will free our land again. PPP, our vow unbroken, with the people we stand, we remain. We on this proud anniversary year, proud we'll lead and we will follow, with courage, hope, and no fear. We are the voice of the voiceless, the shield of the poor and weak. With the proud we march together for the future we all seek. We will rise against corruption, we will break injustice chain. VPP, our hope unshaken, for the people, for the land we remain. We So today we sing united on this proud anniversary year. Proud we'll lead and we will follow, with courage.